Are you using Hexagon EAM to create purchase orders for parts and services? Well, you may not be familiar with the Generate POs screen. So in this video, I will show you how to quickly create POs for approved requisition lines. The Generate POs screen is available from the Purchasing menu under Process. The first step is to enter the selection parameters. The parameters control which records to include. For example, you may only want to generate POs for a specific supplier or requester. In my example, I only want to include requisitions for my central store. You can also designate the purchase order option. For the purpose of generating POs, I will leave this set to Create PO. The default values for POs section allows you to designate the originator and the buyer. Once the parameters have been entered, you can always save the selections as a parameter list. Then proceed by clicking Process or navigating to the Preview tab. The system will return a list of approved requisition lines that match the selection parameters. On the Preview tab, you have an opportunity to unselect lines as well as update the supplier. To update the supplier, click in the field. Then you can either enter the supplier code if known, or press Function F9 on your keyboard to open the lookup. Once you have made the necessary updates, click Save. When POs are generated, the system creates one PO for each supplier-store combination. Since I am generating POs for my central storeroom, the system will create two POs, one for each supplier. So I have one PO for supplier 100001, and then another PO for supplier 100003. When you are ready to proceed, click the Generate button. The POs are now available on the purchase order screen, which is available under the Purchasing menu. Advise customers on PO generation and Hexagon EAM. We work with you to ensure the proper user group and user authorizations are defined to align with your company's business processes. Capturing the purchasing process from requisition to receipt in Hexagon EAM streamlines the procurement process by integrating with other modules, helping to maintain optimal inventory levels, and tracking spending. The ability to seamlessly create POs is just one piece of the purchasing functionality. So comment below if you're using Hexagon EAM to facilitate the procurement process for MRO parts and services. And let us know what features you're interested in learning more about. Thanks!